We can just see that over there that the baler's arrived over in that stile field, and he's doing small bales over there. But if we pan across here to the common, Andrew Sampson's just turned up with the round baler, and he's starting to round bale the common as well. So there's quite a lot going on. I've had an oil leak in the other tractor when I was rowing up, so I've had to swap tractors. But it seems to be all going okay now. I've finished the rowing up more or less, and he's just now making round bales. I think this is the first time that anyone's made hay on this common in, well, years and years and years, because it's always just been left. Anyway, hopefully he'll dump a bale by us in a minute. Dusty. You can see a buzzer's just come down, swooped up and gone off with something. Anyway, I'll leave him to the baling, and we'll go and have a look how the little bales are doing. But before we do that, we'll just have a quick look at the round bales that are here. I think he's just about to drop a bale off actually. I can see the wrap thing going, so that tail end will lift up in a minute. Here we go. And out comes another round bale. I'm not sure how many we'll get out of here, but there's more than I thought actually. I reckon we'll get a dozen or so out of here. Like I said, pan across. And there's Anthony Curtis on the hay baler. Here we are then, one of the round bales has just been done. Oh, I don't know, it's pretty coarse stuff. I'm not sure what the cattle will make of that. Net wrap like the silage, but we won't be putting black plastic on it because it's dry enough to keep.